Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Tasha here, and today we'll look into discuss about how do I fix a blue screen error. Actually, I just want to explain you what is a blue screen error. This error can be caused by adding a hardware or a software in your issues. This might be caused because if you're adding any new hardware to your laptop, let's say for example uh, you want to add one extra additional RAM to your laptop or to your desktop. So this at this time you won't see the compatibility of both the what this laptop or hardware sorry desktop supports the RAM. So you have to check the compatibility of your laptop or desktop, and you need to attach like what you need to add the accordingly you need to add accordingly the RAM to your uh, machine. So in this way you can check and cross check your compatibility, and you have to add the hardware to your machine. If not, this may cause this machine won't support, right? So in this case what happen, this machine will detect something error in your machine, and when you're turning on your machine, this machine will detect some error in your in the hardware. So at this by this the blue screen error will come into picture. So to overcome this, better you check twice or thrice um, what your machine is compatible with the hardware component, so that you can add the uh, RAM accordingly. So this is one kind of an example I'm telling you that, and there may be a different issues which may cause, because sometimes what happen, the fan, let's say for every machine will have one fan, right? This fan is also gives you the error, because sometimes what happen, um, you may update your BIOS, right? Update your while you're updating your BIOS. So sometimes Windows 10 will update your BIOS, and this BIOS will also consist of your hardware components, which is like what let's say for example your fan is supporting like 100 RPM. This is just an example I'm telling you that. Please never mind that the never RPM won't be in 100. So just I'm telling you in 100 as an example. So your machine supports 100 RPM software component of your BIOS. So at this time our machine will detect like what our Windows 10 will update the BIOS. At the time what happen, this RPM might get increased, and what happened here, so your laptop won't get laptop or desktop. So I'm discussing both in one component like machine, I'm telling you in this way. So your machine won't support, right? So at that time it will try to run your PC, but at certain point of time it will get heated. Okay, heated means this fan won't support that much of RPM. So at that time it throws an error. Suddenly you may get restart your machine, and suddenly you may get a black screen, like that fan error might get. So for that you need to update like what when you are loading your turning on the machine, at the time you can make sure that try to set it to default settings, so that this error might go. Sometimes what happen, this may be failed, this like what any hardware component in your machine might get failed. So at that time it throws an error with the blue screen error. So to overcome this, if your machine is under warranty, just contact the customer support team and just they will ask you the dump files. Dump file means what exactly the error is. This dump file will store the error of your machine, what exactly the which component is facing the issue. This dump file will get stored your things. Okay, I'll show you how to get the dump file. So just open this PC and just paste this link. Sorry, this not. Just paste this link over there. It will ask you for these permissions to access the folder, and just click on continue. You may not find any dump file here. Just select where. One second. Right now I'm not facing any blue screen error, so that's why this folder is showing empty here. So in case if you are having any blue screen error, you're getting any blue screen error, so try to get your machine into safe mode, and you can get the dump file over there, and you just collect the dump file and share this dump file over a mail to your customer care team, so that they can have a better idea about what exactly the issue is you're facing with your machine. This way you can sort out your error. In case if you are adding any new software to your machine which is not compatible to your system, so at that time you can just get back into safe mode and try to uninstall what are the changes you have done in to your machine, like software adding newly adding any software, so that you can delete or uninstall the software and just restart the machine. So in this way you can fix your issue. So I hope you understand. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.